everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Sheets with Access for clients. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your internet connection is turned on and open up the sheets you'd like to set the access for. Once the sheet is open, click on Share on the right corner of the screen. Then under General Access over here, you want to change Restricted to anyone with the link. This way, the person you're sending it to can either view it, comment on it, or edit it. So if you would like the person to just be able to view it and not make any changes, select viewer, or if you'd like the person to be able to make changes, select editor. And if you select the commenter option here, if you head back, you'll see this that says show all comments. They'll be able to drop comments here, but if you select editor, they'll be able to do all this. The same things the viewer and the commenter will be able to, as well as make changes to the original sheets. Now, just enter the email address of whoever you'd like to send the sheets to and click on Done, and it will send it to your client. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.